Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. It's Deb. Just had a couple of quick updates for you. Yeah, I'm coming to you from my car instead of my homestead, but quite a lot's been going on and it's been a little rough. No excuses though. This morning we are talking about 2024 and the promise that that holds for the channel and for you guys. So in January, I will start a 12-month book review challenge here on the channel in which I will review one book every month on writing, creativity, or craft. And in that book review video, I will put a code word. For those who watch all 12 of those videos and collect all 12 of those code words, I will put your name in a drawing and you could possibly win a copy of all 12 books, which I will send to you. So if you watch all the videos, collect all the code words, what you'll do at the end of the December video is you'll email those code words to cattailacres@gmail.com, and those who get all the code words and get them right will be put in the drawing. Now, I will do the drawing on December 31st, 2024. So it'll be a Happy New Year's video from me, probably live here on the channel. And I hope to see you there. I'd love to see you win 12 books on creativity, writing, and craft. Oh, productivity. Forgot that one. Anyway, hopefully we'll see you guys there. Until next time, y'all be safe, be well, and we'll see you.